A very old AC unit at a motel office. And it's a Colman. And the serial number is, I'm sure you can see it. Read it for yourself. This is definitely a 1975 model. Or if you're a bigger expert at this stuff, tell me how old it is. It's definitely 1975. When someone tells me the year, I'll change the title thing on the video. This thing's super old. Yeah, it looks like it's fairly in good shape. It's definitely a 1.5 ton Colman AC unit. And it's like 91 degrees out here. Yeah, I don't know what it's listed as. I'm gonna look. Listed. Oh, that's a single phase, yes. This is definitely a heat pump. And yes, it has R22. Bye.